Ollie said, "How do you get more followers on Instagram?" Do you do much on Instagram? I know do you do anything on Instagram or
I
like
did. I
have you
worked
ever done any
really,
growth on Instagram?
yeah, I worked really hard with my Instagram from July until December, but then I got like really overwhelmed. I went like early. I did follow.
Yeah.
I tried a big tip for. I grew my followers from 300 to 2,000, all really organically, and I only did one paid traffic ad, which was a contest ad because I did a giveaway for it. So my Instagram is just based around travel, and I'm shaping that over to the next year so that I can help other people kind of do what we're doing in the future in like a year or so down the line because I want to actually be able to make
Yeah.
like a profit and good amount of like stuff with my business, begin to be a lot more reputable first before just going out there and selling like the dream to a lot of people, even though I have like I literally just work from my laptop now and I make money like through my laptop, which is just crazy, but I want to be able to like make
Yeah.
100K first with my business before I start teaching people how to do this sort of stuff. But for Instagram and getting more
Yeah.
followers, what I did was I did a mixture of two different components. So the first one I ran a contest for my How to Travel for Free ebook. You can find that on my Instagram. My Instagram is at
Mhm.
the Gilbs, which is TheGilbz. GilByGilbz. And what I did was I have a free travel ebook and I ran a contest on as an Instagram story. So I
Yeah.
got people to follow me, like three of my
Yeah.
like posts or whatever. So like three like videos or content, and then send me a DM saying that they've done it. So then I give them like the free ebook. But even though like I had the free ebook in my Instagram bio, so I didn't really understand like why people don't really pay attention to like that sort of stuff, which I found really funny. Like they'll send me the
Yeah.
message like give me the ebook. I'm
Yeah.
like it's literally in my bio where you like can get it, but
Yeah.
like whatever. Like I'm cool with the message because that helps with the
Yeah.
algorithm. So I did that, and the other thing as
Yeah.
well, which I think Instagram are Instagram bots. So Instagram bots a
Yeah.
bit of those. So they
Yeah.
started doing it at the end of this year, but there's still a lot around. So what I did was you just use if you have no this is if you have no money to spend and you want to start like trying to grow it like organically. Uh, just use Instagram bot free trials. So a lot of those free trials are 3 days, 7 days,
Yeah.
14 days. Just look up free Instagram bot trials on Google and just sign up to as many as you can in like a month's time. So then you have every single day, like it's a
Yeah.
little time consuming. You got to figure out, like, make sure you write down what hashtags, what accounts to kind of go after, who you want as an audience. But as soon as you have that all written down, you can just copy and paste that into the new bot
Yeah.
trials and you just keep doing
Yeah.
that for a month. There's so many different services out there that just offer this stuff for free
Yeah.
and free
I'm
trials.